Kitchen tools vocabulary in English. Gas stove, gas stove. Kitchen towel, kitchen towel. Kitchen scissors, kitchen scissors. Egg slicer, egg slicer. Peeler, peeler. Knife, knife. Potato masher, potato masher. Thermos, thermos. Tongs, tongs. Fork, fork. Wooden spoon, wooden spoon. Wok, wok. Griddle, griddle. Fire extinguisher, fire extinguisher. Teapot, teapot. Clock, clock. Butter dish, butter dish. Kitchen paper, kitchen paper. Kitchen sink, kitchen sink. Cupboard, cupboard. Kitchen table, kitchen table. Mug, mug. Waffle maker, waffle maker. Sandwich maker, sandwich maker. Baking tray, baking tray. Ice cream scoop, ice cream scoop. Salt and pepper shaker. Pizza slicer, pizza slicer. Spices containers, spices containers. Cooker, cooker. Rubbish bin, rubbish bin. Glass, glass. Fridge, fridge. Broom, broom. Toaster, toaster. Knife set, knife set. Jug, jug. Sieve, sieve. Perforated spoon, perforated spoon. Matchbox, matchbox. Lemon squeezer, lemon squeezer. Deep fryer, deep fryer. Cup, cup. Dish rack, dish rack. Funnel, funnel. Butter knife, butter knife. Butter paper, butter paper. Bottle, bottle. Lighter, lighter. Juicer, juicer. Apron, apron. Chopping board, chopping board. Grater, grater. Bowl, bowl. Whisk, whisk. Aluminium foil, aluminium foil. Chopsticks, chopsticks. Cake slicer, cake slicer. Sponge, sponge. Garlic crusher, garlic crusher. Double fryer, double fryer. Oven mitts or mittens. Bottle opener, bottle opener. Can opener, can opener. butter brush, butter brush, saucepan, saucepan, microwave, microwave, electric chimney, electric chimney, induction stove, induction stove, cooking heater, cooking heater, mandolin slicer, mandolin slicer, hand chopper, hand chopper, measuring cups, measuring cups, measuring spoon, measuring spoon, casserole dish, casserole dish, colander, colander, tea strainer, tea strainer, blender, blender, cup and saucer, cup and saucer, steaming mold or Italy mold, Italy mold, momo steamer or momo maker, spider skimmer, spider skimmer, oil mister, oil mister, vacuum sealer, vacuum sealer, sugar thermometer, sugar thermometer, Mazzaluna, Mazzaluna, fillet knife, fillet knife. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, do like and subscribe to my channel.